Very good morning, my dear student. So today I am going to describe more about the series program. Okay, so last videos and the previous videos you have seen how I have used the series in a different way. So here you see very nicely this particular program. What I have done it first I have import pandas as PD. Okay, pandas, that means I am calling this particular Python panda. Python panda means it is this panda is under Python. Okay, so as this is under Python, this particular Python we can find it that Python I am calling as what, from the Python I am calling the pandas. So after I call the pandas, what the name I have given to it? The panda name I have given as PD. Okay, the panda name that I have given here PD. Now as I have given the name here PD, what we find it that this is the particular form or format based on which we can give the name of the particular program. Now what the program will going to do, what is the main work of a program? You see here I have written here S1 equals to pd.series, then bracket open, then the third bracket open, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Some values I have given here. Then what I have done here index equals to A, B, C, D, E. Now what is this particular section defines? What does this particular section defines? This particular section defines that this the value what I have given here, this is for what? This is for the series that I am implementing. Okay, so series can be of any pattern of values that I will going to implement and I can work on it. So those the different pattern of values what are there that I am calling here the values, and I am making one particular form or one particular format based on which what I can do, I can build up one series. So I have given the value within a third bracket. You can use the first bracket also, that it doesn't any difference it will going to make. Next what I have do, you see here I have called an index function. So index function is where? Index function is inside the series. Series is where? Series is under the Python. Okay, in Python where? Under the pandas. So I have called here what? Index what? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so those the thing what you can find it that those the indexing will be done. Why? Because default we know there is a default indexing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't want to give the default indexing. So as I don't want to give the default indexing, that means then what will be the indexing value? Those the things A, B, C, D, E what I have given here, that will be the indexing value at this particular moment. Okay, now what I have done, I have written print S1. That means first it will call the S1. Under S1 there is a series, it will take the value of the series, and based on the series it will going to print the index. Next time what I said, print S1 B. That means from S1 you just extract the value of B. What is the value of B? Print that. Next what I have said, S1 zeroth position. So zeroth position what will be the value? You print that one. Next what I am say, start from anything colon 3, that up to 3, and that is what I have said, the from 3 you will do the work and you will complete it till to the end. There is nothing at the back. That means what pattern of 4 declaration I have given? First declaration is that this particular thing you just take out one value from there, like you are taking a cake and you are making the piece of a cake, and from a cake I said you take out the 4th piece, isn't it? So without disturbing the other thing you just take out that 4th piece from that particular cake. So from which cake? I said suppose chocolate cake, suppose vanilla cake, suppose fruit cake, isn't it? Different pattern of cakes are there. So from there I said you take out the 9th piece of the particular strawberry vanilla cake or strawberry chocolate cake. So you are taking out that particular piece. So similarly here is also we are doing so. We are making it into a different slice. I am saying that you take out the bth position value. You take out the 0th position value. You take out the value. There is no, from wherever it will start up to 3 it will go. on from 3 to wherever it will go, from it will end there. Okay, so this is how the different type of declaration has been given. You can also give as per your requirement, you can give your own declarations, that whichever as per the question also you can give the declaration that whichever value is required to be printed. Okay, whichever value you require to print it, that particular value obviously you can mention it here and you can work on that particular area. Okay, so this is what the thing is. Now we have to run the program and we have to see how the program is working. So now you see the output. Okay, in the first case what I have said, that print S1. So S1 means I have given here, see, A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E, the index came, and the values what are there, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Those the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 values are there. Okay, so this is the value what is there based on the indexing it has done. So what is the data type? It is an integer data type. Clear? Next what I have said, that print out the values of which position? Bth position. See, what is the bth position value? The bth position value is 20. So it has taken out this particular 20 from there. Then what I said, that print out the value from the 0th position. Okay, from the 0 position, that means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but as per the computer means programming declaration, it is a 0th position. So 0th position is what? This is the 0th position value, 10. So since the 0th position value is 10, so it has taken out 10. Okay, so again I am saying, when I said the bth position, that means it is by indexing B, it is taken, what is the value there in the B position? 20. So this 20 has been taken out from here and that has been printed separately. Okay, next one is what? It has been take that 0th position. Which is 0th position? This one is in 0th position. So the 0th position is, this is a default indexing that will be given by the computer or the program, Python program itself. Okay, so this is what the position value of it. Clear? Next what I said, that you start it from some place and you start it from somewhere and end up to 3. Isn't it? So starting point I haven't mentioned. So since I haven't mentioned starting point, so it started from the beginning itself. So as it started from the beginning itself, from here the thing has been started and it has ended up to that particular position. 3 means what? Originally this is 0, this one is 0, this one is 1th position, this one is 2nd position, and this one is the 3rd position. 3rd position is not this, 30 is not in 3rd position, 30 is originally in 2nd position of your program indications. So it has taken down from here, and 3rd position I have said, that means before of this 40 up to 30 it has printed. Okay, next one what I said, start from the 3rd position and then you print, there colon, there is nothing is there. Okay, so after that only one value is there, therefore it has started from this 3rd position and it has printed. It's here 40 and 50 is printed here. Okay, so this is the thing what we can see, this is the thing what we can find, that particular output can be derived in this particular way. Okay, so this is how the different type of slicings has been implemented, and based on this slicing we can do a different type of slicing program as per the question is there, or as per you want that you can do it. Okay, different pattern of slicing has been shown to you. That means you must know that where you have given a starting point, if you giving a range, where you have given a starting point, from there it will start, but where you have given an ending point, before of that you will going to stop. Okay, the computer itself will going to stop. So now you can see another program. In this particular program what I have done, I have used ILOC and LOC. Okay, what is this? I am going to say to you, and in the execution part there the clear explanation I am going to give to you. Okay, so see here what I have done here, import pandas as PD. That means I am calling here the pandas as PD. Now when I have done this, when I have called the pandas as PD, then what we find here, that in S I have stored the value. S equals to PD dot series. That means here I am calling the series function. In this series function I have given some values here. After I have given some values here, then what I have done here, I have created one index by myself. A, B, C, D, E, this is the indexing is been given. Okay, as they are what? They are the character field, they are the alphabet, so they are within a single inverted comma. Now here what I have done, you see, print I lock. That means I local variable from where that B 1 position to 4th position. Okay, so here what I am doing, I am calling the value from the 1 position to the 4th position. So that is what an iLock will going to do. That means it will going to lock out that particular system. And lock variable means local variable. What we have, local variable what we have defined D, B to E. Okay, next one you see, this is what, from B to E. So these are the two different type of slicing or specification or range has been declared. So what the range I have declared here, number one range is that when I have declared a series, in this particular series of Python, we are going to define a series pattern. So series pattern has been described there. So as we have described the series pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the particular pattern. That means they are all of what? Integer part of values. Okay. With that I have given one index to it. Any index you can give. I have given here A, B, C, D. Now why A, B, C, D within a single inverted comma? Because those the A, B, C, D are what pattern of variable? They are the variables of what? They are the variable of your particular what type? They are the variable of character types. Okay, so this is how we can find it. We do it. After that what I have done, iLock and lock. Okay, now let us run the program and see what is the output it will going to show to us. So here you see the output. Okay, what is the output? Output is, see what I have given here, from B to E. Now I can refer to this particular thing. B to E. B to E means iLock. I have said iLock means you start from the starting variable, and what is the particular variable that is declared at the last, that till there you will going to run. But what is the output is showing before of that. So this is the output, you can find it. It has shown those output. There I have given 10, 20, here I have given 2, 3, 4. Okay, but here you see from lock I have given, due to lock what I said, B to E. That means all the thing, that means from the starting till to the ending. Okay, from the starting till to the ending, all the variable is printed here. All the variable values are been printed here. So as we find it that we are using all these particular variable values, we are using what? iLock and lock. Lock means what? Lock means those the variable locking from this particular position till to the last position, it is locked. And iLock means what? It is locking that initiative position is locked, and where we have given here to end, before of that it will going to end the work. Okay, so as we find it, the thing will going to end the work there. We are working on it, and we are finding it that how the work will be conducted. Clear? So this is how we can see, this is how we can find it, that we are doing the work and we are processing the work in this particular way. Okay, so this is how we can see that we are implementing that, and we are finding out that how the thing will be workable, how we can make the thing implementable in this particular working phenomenon or working areas. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the program. We have constructed it and we have done this program, and this is the output that we get. So dear student, now you see the next program. What I have done it, see here I have done it scalar. That means I have scaling it, and I have constant with a constant value, isn't it? Constant value. That means you see here what I have done, import pandas as PD, as I have calling the panda as the name of PD. Then what I have done is S equals to PD dot series. Okay, so I am calling this PD dot series. What I have done, 15, and after that I have given the index what, A B C D E. See here only one value I have given, but here I have given 1 2 3 4 5 indexing. Okay, this is the 5 indexing I have given here. Clear? This is the 5 indexing given here. I have done printing of S. So next one you see S1. S1 what I have done, PD dot series 15. Index is what, range 6. That means up to the range variable it has given 6. So two way of indexing you can see here. One indexing I have given the values, another indexing I have given the range. Okay, I have given the range. Third indexing you see here S2. This one I have given S2. PD dot series 25. Here I have given the index 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, print S2. Now as we find it, the next one S3, what we see here, that here I have taken only one value 25 and indexing X for X in 2 3 4 5 6. That means I am implementing using a for loop. Also I have given for loop with a certain demarcations. Okay, for loop. So you can see here 4 different way of demarcation of indexing I have done, or scaling of indexing I have done, or constant value with a scalar index that has been done, whatever you say. Okay, whatever the way you understand it. So there you find it. In the first case what I have given a simple indexing. This is a simple way of indexing A B C D E, a simple pattern of indexing that has been given to here. Okay, simple pattern of indexing has been given here. But in second case what I have done, I have used a range 6. This is a range 6. So range 6 means it will go up to 6, isn't it? Now what will going to print, that I am keeping suspense, because when I will show you the answer, that time I will going to describe this thing. Okay, so only one value I have given, and I have given range 6, and there you see that I have given only one value and I have given a 6 index for it. Yeah. Next one, in the S2 you can see there I have given one value and I have given a indexing 0 1 2 3 4 5. Last one to be noticed very nicely you notice the last one. What has been done? S3. In S3 what we have done? PD series 25. Okay, then I have done an indexing X for X in 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so X in 2 3 4 5 6. So this is what I have done a for loop. So those the for loop, what we find that in the for loop we will going to work on this. So how the thing will be, let us run and see the particular output. Student, you see that how the output is coming now. Okay, I am scrolling it up. See here, first what I said, A B C D E. Okay, I have given only one value, that is 15. So since I have given only one value 15, see here in each of the case 15 came. Is it so? Second case what I have said, from 0 to 5. Okay, range is 6. Range is 6 means what? 0, see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means all total 6 value is there from 0 to 6. So this is the range it has taken. 6 means it will, you know it, if you give the range, that means still where you have given the range, before of that it will going to do the work. So it has taken the 6 values from all the values are there, what, 15. Next you come to the next part. Next part is what I have said here, from 0 I have given here the index range 0 1 2 3 4 5. So what it is printing? 25. Why? Because only one value I have specified there. And last one, you see, last one what I have done it, 2 3 4 5 6, isn't it? So this is how, what, for X in X, that then within a inverted comma I have given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the particular thing, that means it is running in a for loop. Again and again it is going one value, then it is extracting the value, placing the value, again it come to the 3, again it extract the value, place the value. So again come to the 4, extract the value, place the value, 5, extract the value, place the value, 6 also it will going to extract the value and place value. So this is how we can find it, that we can do the particular indexing and we can work with the particular indexing. Okay, so this is how we are doing the work and we find it the indexing can be done. So you see here different type of indexing has been done. This is one way of indexing, this is the another way of indexing. This is the thing what I have done with a single value. Remember it, this is a scaling, we say it's scaling. Scaling means I am now concentrating only the part of index, scaling with a single value. Okay, so I am giving the values and those the values what we find it, that we will going to have this particular pattern of output. So thank you students, I am ending my session here. Thank you all.